Good day, everyone. I'm Neil Brian L. Esmeralda, and my favorite song is Palagi by TJ Monterde. Entrepreneurship is a lot like the message of Palagi by TJ Monterde. Just like in the song, where love means always choosing someone no matter what. Building a business means always choosing to keep going no matter the struggles. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But just like in Palagi, where love remains steady and unwavering, true entrepreneurs stay committed to their vision. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and willingness to show up every day. Just like how love isn't just about words but consistent actions. So, in both love and business, it's not about grand gestures or instant wins. It's about being palagi, always present, always working, always believing.
Ito tayo